Hey, I'm Martin from team-gpt, and in this video I'm going to show you how to generate on-brand images directly in team-gpt's chat. I'll show you two cases. First, how to just analyze and recreate any image that we find online with our brand colors and brand guidelines. And second, how to generate campaign visuals directly into your campaign brainstorming chats so your entire team can use them. Let's say that we have this imaginary brand, Mindful Bites, which is a full-service meal delivery company, and want to generate some images for our website. Now, let's say that we found this bento box image online, and we want to recreate something like this for our brainstorming. So we will save this image. In team-gpt, for this specific purpose, I've created a very comprehensive project. In project knowledge, I've added the detailed instructions, additional examples, and our brand guidelines in order for the AI to take into consideration in our chat. So what I want to do, I'll just upload the image and I'll ask it to analyze this image. So here's an advanced tip. If you want to modify single elements and have full control of your image generation, all you have to do is follow up with this prompt. We're going to ask the AI to give us a JSON profile of this image, so I can generate another one in similar style and layout. As you can see, the AI has generated us a very comprehensive JSON profile with a lot of editable little variables that you can take full control of your image generation. Now, we will ask the AI to generate us an image in our brand colors following the entire analysis. In team-gpt, this happens directly in the chat, regardless of which model you're using for your chatting. After a brief moment, as you can see, the AI has generated us a very cool image following our brand guidelines and recreating it to... Let's go move to the second use case. Let's say that we want to make a quick mockup while already working on a campaign without switching tabs or losing context. I've generated a quick ad campaign that will showcase our new bento boxes for our service. The AI has generated a lot of ideas that I kind of like. All we had to do is take our prompt from the analysis before, modify it a little bit, let's say to include a specific headline that we want to use, and just generating it in the same fashion. And the AI generated us an image that has the text, has the titles, and also has this beautiful image on the bottom, which is very appetizing. This workflow eliminates the need to switch tabs and other tools to keep your creative momentum flowing while ensuring brand consistency. Want more image generation tips, or have I missed something? Let me know in the comments and check out our other playbooks.